let's go ahead and start by creating a new asset. So in the last chapter, or the first chapter, we created a scene level asset. Here we're going to create a SOP level asset. So I'm going to start just by putting down any kind of empty geometry container here. I'm going to dive inside. I'm just going to start by putting a torus. So pressing tab and starting to type the word torus. And then I'm going to put down a subnetwork. So I'm going to press tab, start typing subnetwork. I'm just going to wire the torus right into the subnetwork. And here I'm going to relabel this multi-scatter. We're going to enable the visibility flag. Make sure that's selected. And then I'm going to choose assets, new digital asset from selection. And here we can see it's called multi-scatter. I'm just going to delete my name out of there. Multi-scatter, and instead of saving it into our library, I'm going to save this into my HIP HDA folder, and I'm going to call this multi-scatter.hda. Click accept and accept. And now in here, I believe I want tools. There we go. And in the context for tab submenu path, I'm just going to change that to L2 so that that's going to show up in our special Learn Squared tab. I'm going to click accept. That's off the visibility there for the capture window, but accept will do that. Now just to test that this is working, if I press tab, I see we have multi-scatter. And just so you see the difference between doing this at object level and SOP level, if I go up into my object level and I press tab, we don't have that there. So just so you can see where you create your assets is important in terms of where it's available to be used in the network. So because we've created this inside of a SOP, in the SOP level, it becomes a SOP level asset. So we're going to save our file. And also I'm going to just right click as well and choose to save the node type. We'll save this file here, and then we will start populating this asset with some of the properties that we need.